Hi everyone. Today we tackle about circulatory system. So circulatory system is responsible for transporting materials throughout the entire body. The circulatory system is made up of blood, heart, and blood vessels. The blood has four main components, which is red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Always remember, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.